use Homepeel's Derma Pen. I'm going to tell you why it's awesome, how it works, and how to use it. So let's get started. So with every Derma Pen comes with a USB charger and 2 cartridges. If you don't know what a Derma Pen is, it's basically like stamping. So I'm just going to open up one of the cartridges here and show you what it looks like, and that will get me started on how to use this baby. So let's just pop him in like that, and you screw him in. Okay, this is the cartridge here. You turn it on with this little button there, and it has 5 levels. So it's, where's the button? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just turn it off for a second. And the other measurement that you need to take note of is this little scale. So this one down here is about how fast it's going to stamp the needles in and out of your skin, and the top one is about how long or how much length of the needles is going to go into your skin. So basically what a Derma Pen does, it's going to create little micro wounds. It's going to do 2 things. It's going to create little micro wounds in your skin, so when the little needles come in, and I don't know good if I can sort of show you that. I don't think it's really going to pick it up. Anyway, it's going to create little micro wounds in the skin. So the needles are going to go in and create little wounds, and the skin's going to want to repair that. So when it does that, it's going to create new collagens and elastins, and it's going to make your skin, it's going to regenerate your skin, which is incredible. The second thing it's going to do is going to create little micro channels. So there's little channels that are going through the epidermis into the dermis, and these micro channels are going to pave the way for you to put amazing skincare into these micro channels, into the dermis, where it can do some amazing work. And for us, we recommend using our longevity elixir for that, and today I'm going to demonstrate it with that. So if you go to our website at homepeel.com.au, under the Derma Pen page, you'll see a little chart that says recommends what speed and what needle length to use wherever, according to which part of the skin. So I'm going to show you how to use it. There's a couple of things I want to tell you first. First of all, you could use this without a serum at all. Just the action of the stamping of the needles into the skin causing regeneration is going to be amazing. And this, but if you are going to use something, don't ever do it with vitamin C. That's something that I really want to make sure that I tell you about. Okay, and just a quick little story. The reason why I decided to bring these in is because one of the ladies who I work with had a big patch of melasma on the side of her face. And if you know skin, you know that melasma, people who suffer with melasma or hyperpigmentation can't do deep peels or lasers. And anyway, one Christmas, I see her every year, that patch of melasma was gone, and I said, what happened? And she said that she was getting regular Derma Pen treatments done at the salon, and it disappeared. So I was like, wow, okay, so I need to bring that on board for my customers. So here it is. So first of all, here is our longevity elixir, and this is the one that I suggest to use with this. This is our oil. This is an amazing product. It is so versatile. Before I get going, I have to quickly say it has these amazing magical anti-aging oils in it. It has sea buckthorn, gotu, koala, and camellia seed oil. Like, it's amazing. Gotu koala, not koala. Did I say koala? Oh my God, I'm crazy. Okay, so and if you do the research or have a look on our webpage, you'll see so much information about why this is amazing. So you can use this every second night if you're on the Homepeel routine. So you're basically using our cosmeceutical grade active ingredients every second night, and on the alternating nights you'll be using this alone to feed and nourish your skin. It's amazing. We're not all about hitting the skin hard and making it work every day here at Homepeel. We're also about feeding and nourishing it and nurturing it and loving it. So we like to do a combination of the both. The dip your toe in the water starter kit is the way to go, and on the other nights you just use this. Okay, that's one thing you can do with this. You can also put a drop of this into your moisturizer if you need extra moisture during the day. So sometimes you need that, so you can do that. And thirdly, you can use it as a treatment. So if you see on the webpage where we sell this, you'll see that it can come with a gua sha and a derma roller. So the derma roller is very similar technology to this, but it's a roller. So it has like 100 and something little needles on it. So you put the oil on, and then you roll the needles over it, and it does a very similar thing, just not as deep. So basically you're making those micro channels to help the elixir get in, and you're also creating little mini micro wounds to regenerate. And we suggest that you do that every you would do a fortnightly fruit peel on a Sunday night, which was like a microdermabrasion. The next Sunday night, you would do the longevity with the derma roller. And then the next Sunday, you do the fortnightly fruit peel again. And then the Sunday after that, you would do this with the gua sha. Go to our website and see the full video on that. And I'll talk about that no more, because today we're here to talk about this guy. So the first thing, I'm just going to turn it on again. I'm going to put it on 0.25. So basically, you can go from 0.25 to oh goodness, I think it's 2.5, and that's all in mils. Okay, as I said, go to the website and check out the information on that site there. So I'm just going to start. I'm going to do the eye area today. So I'm just going to put it on 1 for eye area. Okay, I'm going to put it on 0.25, which is what's suitable for the eye area. Actually, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop a little bit of the elixir down first. Oh, just got that everywhere. Okay, I'm going to do this one here, but I might as well put it on over here. Turn it on. And what we're going to do is we're going to start stamping. See how I'm just stamping like this? Okay. You don't want to go over the same area too much. Just sort of bring it out. Do one section at a time. Now what you don't want to do is you don't want to do dragging. We're doing stamping. So stamp, 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 stamp. You might see some other videos where people are dragging it. Now the problem with dragging is the fact that these needles are going in and out, in and out, in and out. If you're going to do that and move it, then you're putting your skin at risk at being of trenches being created in your skin, right? Because the needles are coming in and you're going to drag it. So stamp, not drag. Okay, so after you've done that little area and you get a little bit more of the oil, you probably don't need to, you just re-rub it because you create those little micro channels. So you want to get the oil down those channels. Okay, now I've just done that little area there, and you just go patches. See, I'm a little bit red, which is nice. Okay, and then you'll just finish it off. So that should take about 10 minutes. Okay, so you can do that probably once a month. So you might want to, if you're using it with the longevity and the dermal roller, you might swap every second roller out for this. But if you have a stubborn sunspot that you want to treat, you can treat that every 2 weeks. So say if I had like a big patch of melasma here, every 2 weeks I might just stamp that just a little bit, and that's it. Okay, I'm not going to go too overboard. So that's it from me. That's our derma roller. If you have any questions, please email us at skincarecoach@homepeel.com.au. We're here to help. I'm Jodie Baker. I do all my videos without any makeup. I'm the owner and founder of Homepeel. I'm 50 and it's amazing. I'm going to see you later. Bye. Oh, and one last thing. Each kit comes with 2 cartridges. Don't reuse the cartridges. Throw them away after use. You can buy the replacement cartridges from our website, and you don't ever try and reuse it, because if you ever get any bacteria in it and then you stamp that into your skin, that's going to be really bad news. Okay, see ya.